Hi, I'm so excited to be here today to talk about HoneyBook. I know you're probably wondering what bank they use, so let's get right to it. HoneyBook uses Chase Bank. This is a great choice for a business bank because they offer a variety of accounts and services that are specifically designed for small businesses. They also have a great reputation for customer service. Now, you may be wondering why I'm so interested in HoneyBook. Well, I'm a big fan of their software. It's a great way to manage your clients, projects, and invoices. And, of course, it's also a great way to keep track of your finances. So, if you're looking for a bank that can help you manage your business, I highly recommend Chase Bank. And if you're looking for a great software to help you run your business, I highly recommend HoneyBook. In addition to Chase Bank, HoneyBook also works with other banks such as Wells Fargo and Bank of America. So, no matter what bank you use, you can still use HoneyBook to manage your finances. Now that you know what bank HoneyBook uses, let's talk about some of the other features that make it such a great tool for small businesses. One of my favorite features is the ability to create custom proposals. This allows you to create professional-looking proposals that are tailored to your specific clients. Another great feature is the ability to track your time. This allows you to see how much time you're spending on each project, which can help you to budget your time more effectively. HoneyBook also has a great invoicing feature. This allows you to create and send invoices to your clients easily. Overall, HoneyBook is a great all-in-one solution for small businesses. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your clients, projects, finances, and more. If you're looking for a way to improve your business, I highly recommend checking out HoneyBook. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.